Imagine a world where your medicine cabinet is stocked with foods, superfoods to be precise. These nutritional powerhouses, like turmeric, kale, and chia seeds, are gaining attention for their potential health benefits. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, rivaling some over-the-counter medications. Kale, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, supports immune function and bone health. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3s, promote heart health and regulate blood sugar levels. Scientists are increasingly exploring how these foods can play a role in preventing and managing diseases, offering a natural alternative to pharmaceuticals. While not a complete substitute, incorporating superfoods into your diet could complement traditional medicine, providing a holistic approach to wellness.